Alright Ashish, we are having a Q&A session with you.
Okay.
Since I know you very well, so I think it is kind of different Q&A
I would
session.
say you know me the best. Cover
Okay.
guy behind the camera. This is not me.
Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna throw some questions and you're gonna answer them maybe in an interesting way.
All right.
Fine. One song which you listen to today in morning, maybe.
See, I don't know the name of that song, but it is a bald Punjabi speaker. Maybe
Yeah.
you can tell me the name.
Yes.
So he speaks very deep songs. So that is what I listen to.
Deep Rag.
All right.
Yeah. So
And
you.
what was the name of that song? Some domestic abuse kind of thing.
Yeah, Man Bharya.
Yeah. All right. So that's what I was listening to. And I was writing while listening to that, and made my day good.
Your favorite time of the day?
Favorite time of the day, morning when I make my coffee.
Okay. One backup career option?
Backup career option.
If you were not ISRO scientist, what would you be?
I have a lot of backup careers. Like, it is not really backup. Like all of them are my parallel career paths. So it might be, the worst would be being a host in someone else's show. So that is one of my backup careers. Like everything goes to shit, I know that I can be a good host in someone else's show.
Okay. What impresses you?
What impresses me about what?
Suppose a person is meeting you for the first time. What is the first thing you see in that person?
Conversation skills. That is what I notice naturally.
Apart from that, what interests you? It's not important. No? Now it's gonna turn into podcast. I'm not gonna contradict. Okay, you can explain it.
Confidence.
Okay.
If that is also like I'm seeing someone from a distance, then it will be the dressing sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you see in a girl when you meet her for the first time?
What do I see in a girl? Not much. Like I meet a girl just like I would meet a guy. I'm being very diplomatic, but that is how I do it. Like I do not meet a girl differently than I would meet a guy. So I would see the same things: conversation skills, personality, confidence, and all those. Dressing sense.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you. Celebrity crush?
None. Like female, no? None.
Yeah. And male?
Male. That obviously I don't want to fuck him, but Brad Pitt would be.
That's mine too. Okay. Your reviews about Nambi effect movie, that is Rocketry.
Alright, yeah, that is great. Like I'm having high expectations. So when that Mission Mangal movie came, that also, the trailer is always great, right? But this one, I have a feeling that they will stick to the reality. That is what I want from a movie. So obviously I'll have to watch the movie, but obviously the trailer was great. But the problem is the trailer for Mission Mangal movie was also great.
Okay. What makes you angry?
What makes me angry? When people do not do what they can do. Like if you are having opportunity, you are having problems and the solution are right there in front of you and you are not executing, that makes me angry.
Okay.
For no reason. I should not be angry with someone else not doing their stuff, but I get angry when I see some people like that.
Okay. When do you cry?
When do I cry? I cried when I failed, and I generally cry when I see a very deep touching movie. So if something really touches me, then I'm a big time bitchy crier.
Okay. Are you an emotional person or practical person?
I'm way too emotional, that is why I subside my emotion most of the time.
Okay. Your views on feminism?
Feminism is mistaken most of the time. So most people do not really understand the meaning of that.
Yeah.
But yeah, the idea is good, but the execution has a problem.
Yeah. Your favorite senior from ISRO?
My favorite senior from ISRO. Alright, so honestly, I don't know a lot of seniors, but
it is not something like which is ultimate senior or immediate senior. Anyone can be like your boss or anyone.
Yeah. So I will not take names obviously over there. Even though I can take, I can take. Why shouldn't I? So Manohar sir trained me a lot. So these are basically the roles that I was supposed to take over. So Manohar sir and Gaurav sir. These two actually left the center that I was working for, so I was supposed to take their work. Yeah. But I really admire them because they taught me a lot.
Okay. What do you like about yourself the most?
I like that I am not materialistic. So I do not really have aims and ambition that I want these things in my life.
What do you hate about yourself?
I hate my anger issues, man.
Okay. And if you have to name five if I say 5 more persistent follower and commenters of your YouTube videos. Can you name them?
One is Komaltaya, certainly.
Yeah.
Another one is Soumya. Like, I know their faces, but you know I'm bad with memory, right?
Soumya or Soumya?
Soumya, I think it is a girl. So,
Soumya Singh Parihar.
I don't really remember the names, but I know that these people, like, still there's a face in my head. I even know that what they are doing currently.
Okay.
But I do not remember their names. That is the problem.
You have to, but.
Yeah, I'm bad with names anyways. That is the problem. Like, I should pay more attention.
Okay.
Like, I know the names of my students who comment a lot. For example, Himanshu comments a lot.
Yeah.
Right? But every now and then Abhijit will comment.
Yeah.
But these are people like I personally know. Because they are art of speaking students.
Well, I know about Amalgam.
Yeah. You are good in memory anyways.
Yeah.
Right?
Which podcast is more close to you?
Of my podcast?
Yeah.
Yeah, Talk and Fire podcast, definitely.
Okay. What do you like about Talk and Fire podcast?
I like the fact that it is really a podcast. Most of the podcast is like me asking questions and the guest is not interactive at all.
Yeah.
Right? But I want the podcast to be conversations. And a lot of people mistake it, like they think that it is an interview, like I've brought someone and I have a list of questions and I'm going to ask. I never want to do those things, but I want it to be a conversation. I think that is more impactful.
Okay. What do you like in Momentum podcast?
I like in Momentum podcast the way people build their careers, the way people were nothing and now they are something.
Okay. And who is your favorite guest?
Who's my favorite guest so far?
And one guest you want to be on your podcast?
Alright. I want Joe Rogan to be on my podcast.
Okay.
And my favorite guest, if I'm not being biased at all, I'll take names because I don't want to be diplomatic. Gagan was my favorite guest because we really had a conversation over there.
Okay. Where do you see yourself after 10 years?
I see myself known as a writer, not as a person who left ISRO or a person who's a vlogger. People should know me as a writer.
Okay. Any other plans?
Any other plans? Not really. Like, I want to direct a film. Like, it should be my creative aspect, but I need a lot of money for that.
Okay. What do you like most about Komaltaya?
Most about Komaltaya is like Komaltaya is a super kind person. She's a very sweet, humble person, and in a lot of aspects she's like me. Like I'm not kind and humble, I'm not saying that, but she's also not materialistic. She also is very passionate about her career, like that. But we are opposite in a lot of sense. Like kindness and humbleness part and cheerfulness part, we are opposite. But when it comes to our careers, like the way we drive for our passion, that is very much similar.
Okay. So, what do you hate about Komaltaya?
I hate about Komaltaya is that sometimes she wastes a lot of time. And I love time more than anyone. I think time is the best resource in this world, the most valuable resource, and people who waste it are inevitably going to be hated by me at some point or the other.
By the way, you said once when you just met me initially that I don't hate anything about you.
I did not know you well that time.
No, after knowing also, you said you can have many things.
See,
low battery.
There's always something good. Maybe you might be hating some things about me. That's perfectly natural. I hate a lot of things about myself. You must be hating a lot of things.
Yeah, but you should say it loud. But you said, there's nothing in you which I can hate. Well,
those are the moves by the guys initially.
Okay. Okay. What's the app dressing sense which you like?
About boys or girls?
Yeah, both.
About boys, like jeans, t-shirts, slippers. That's it. Like confidence is one thing that most people should be wearing, but none of them do.
Yeah.
They focus on the wool or the cotton that they're wearing.
Yeah.
Confidence is what really makes a dress up. Same goes with girls. If I have to mention, like a crop top, jeans and normal flat slipper would be perfect for a girl as well. That is what I like about you. That is what you are wearing.
Okay. What I'm wearing? Crop top and jeans.
Right now it is a little bit different, but very much similar. Like it is simplistic. That is the clothes should be simplistic. The confidence should be extraordinary.
Yeah. So are you kind of regular kind of person or experimenting or adventurous kind of person?
Obviously adventurous. I cannot stick to a particular regimen.
Okay.
That is what I had the problem with the jobs.
Okay. And Will you ever sell your channel if someone is offering you $1 million?
No, hell no. I'm not going to sell it.
Okay. What would you do if you have $1 million in your account?
I would invest it all on my podcast. I'll make it like very much legitimate, and I do not require $1 million. Even if I have like $10,000, that would be more than sufficient. But I'm going to invest on the things like I really do not need money for myself. I don't want to buy some expensive clothes or expensive cars. All I want is to follow my passion. And I have so much money, then I'll maybe invest in like I said, to a movie that I can direct myself.
Favorite city?
Favorite city so far, it would be Mumbai. I have to say that, even though I'm living in Bangalore, I have not lived in Mumbai for a long time, but I love Mumbai.
Favorite food?
Favorite food? Oats.
Okay.
Because it is clean, easy to make.
No, but if you are craving hard and if you want to eat something different, what would you go for? Chicken chili?
Yeah, that is it. And I'm a big time non-veg guy, so
Okay.
I'll definitely go for something non-veg.
I already answered that.
Yeah.
Okay. And favorite color?
This one. I do not know what color it is. Lime.
Pastel.
Yeah.
These are pastel colors. You also like pastel colors?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like your hair long, short, or like that?
Right now I want it to be long. That is why I'm growing it out. So I want it long. I would like it to be this long
Yeah.
because let's try it once in my life.
Okay.
But maybe after having it for years, I would want to start it as again.
Favorite Bollywood actor?
Bollywood actor. That is difficult, man. I don't really watch a lot of Bollywood movies.
But you still have, I guess.
Suggest me?
Akshay Kumar, Ramekar, like that.
Nah, those are like average. I don't
Okay.
really like the acting that much.
Okay. Shah Rukh Khan?
No. They do not do something unique. That is the problem. They do not
Okay.
really make that much art. If I have to look at the art aspect, I would basically say Amir Khan.
Yeah.
But that is also not at that level. No offense. But
Okay.
it's not my
One thing which you can't survive.
without.
Yeah.
I cannot survive without. Well, if I have to pick some, I would say coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You
I thought-
talked about thing, by the way. So
Okay.
until unless you are calling yourself a thing, then I do not know what to say.
Okay. One person you can't survive without.
Komal Taya.
You're gonna make me cry. Okay. One favorite character from movies.
Favorite character, no? No, I definitely have this one. So it would be the Brad Pitt's role in the movie Fury.
Okay.
Yeah, because it has a lot of different depths. The leadership
Okay.
quality that he shows, the sacrifice that he shows, lot of different things you learn from that character.
Okay. One fictional character you had to bring alive.
I'm going to steal it most likely, but it's going to be Naruto because why the ideas that he represents.
Okay.
Certainly.
Yeah. Anything you want to say? Some parting words and for your followers.
Guys, I'm as natural as a person can be on camera, and I've been like that for 3 years. So that's it. I'm very, very fortunate to have a following. Honestly, I always had a feeling that I'm not a likable person, but to have even 100 followers is a big deal for me. Just follow me as long as you want to, and that's it. Whatever I say, it comes straight from the heart. I'm as organic, as natural as possible. Thank you to Komal Taya for doing this, and I'm having a good day today because of him, not because of her.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.